we just combine this line and this line. For example, 23, we can say 23. So here, about the numbers. In this lesson, we will use the numbers to talk about date. Also, after class, some students ask me about the date, and today we will learn it. Today the topic is 今天几号? 今天几号? That means what day is today? What's the date? What is the date today? Okay, first let's look at the tones. Let's look at how to read the tones and how to read the word in Chinese. For example, the first one, 时间,时间,时间,时间. 银行,银行,银行,银行. 词典,词典,词典. 蓝色,蓝色,蓝色. This is the practice of tones. Okay, look at the new words today. The first one, 请,请. The first one, 请,请. 问,问. 今天,今天. 号,号. 月,月. 星期,星期. 昨天,昨天,昨天. 明天,明天. 去,去. 学校,学校. 看,看. 书,书. Next one, 请问今天号月星期昨天明天去学校看书. Let's see it one by one. The first one, 几, 几, we have learned it. In last lesson, we have learned it. 你几岁? 你几岁? 几, 几 means how many, which. Ask about the number, lesson 10. Ask about the number, lesson 10. How many, which. So for example, if we say 你几岁了, that means how old are you? 你几岁了? How old are you? 几. So here we also can ask how many person, how many people, how many people. We also can say 几个人. 几, 几, 你几岁了? 你几岁了? How old are you? And the second one is 月, 月, 月 means months, means moon. 月 means months, means moon. So here, if we say 几月, that means which month. That means which month. 几月, 几月 means which month. And another one, if we say, if we want to say January, February, January, February, March, April in Chinese. In Chinese, from January to December, we use the number 1 to number 12 to express. So January, we say 1月. February, we say 2月. March, 3月. April, 4月. May, 5月. And then 6月, 7月, 8月, 9月, 10月, 11月, 12月. So when we talk about months, January to December, we use number 1 to number 12 to name the months. And also with this word. January we say 1月, 月. Here 月 means moon, also means month. Means moon, means month. 1月 that means the first month. 2月 the second month. So here we can see this is the express of the 12 months in Chinese. So the first one we say 1月, and then 2月, 3月, 4月, 5月, 6月, 7月, 8月, 9月, 10月, 11月, 12月. So January we say 1月 number 1, and December 12月 12月 12 means 12. So when we talk about months in Chinese, we just use the number 1 to number 12 to express, to name the months. So this is months. Look at next one. How? It is a express number, but it's the date of the month. For example, 几号 几 means which. 几号 means which day. 几号 means which day. 几月几号 means which month, which day. 几月几号 which month, which day. So for example, in the months, there are 31 days. So the date 1st December 1st, we say this one first we say 1号, and second 2号, third 3号, and then 20 we say 20号, and 30 30号, 31 31号. So this is talk about the date. In the months, about the date, when we say the date, we just say the number with 号. For example, this one, 8. We say 8号. And then 28, 28号. How? Let's talk about date. So when we ask which day, we can say 几号. Which month, which day? 几月几号. This one, how. And next one is year. Next one is year. 年 means year. 年 means year. So if I say year 2017, when we read the year in Chinese, you just read the number one by one. So here, 2017, we say 2017年. Here, there's a word zero. We didn't learn it before. Zero, we just read it 零. So 2017, year 2017, we say 2017年. 2017年. 1990年. 2020年. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. So this one is 2013. When we read it 2013年. So about the month is February. February, we will read 2月. And the date is 2. The date is 2. So we say 2号. So in Chinese, when we talk about the date, we say year first, and then month, and then date. The order, the sequence is different with English one. So we say year, and then month, and then date. So this year, when you read the year, just read the number one by one. So for example, this one, 2020, this year, we read it 2020年 2020年 So this is year 年 and this one, if we want to say last year we say 去年 last year. For example, 去年是2019年 去年是2019年 That means last year is 2019. 去年是2019年 去年 last year 是 is 2019年 And also 今年 this year 今年 this year So if we say 今年是2020年今年是2020年 That means this year is 2020. 今年是2020年。今年我20岁。This year I am 20 years old. 今年我20岁。今年。明年 next year. 明年 next year. So if I say 明年再见 that means see you. 再见 means bye bye means see you again. 再见 means bye bye means see you again. So if I say 明年再见 that means see you next year. See you next year. See you next year. 明年 So these three words 去年今年明年去年今年明年 Another one 昨天 yesterday 昨天 yesterday 昨天27号昨天27号 That means yesterday is 27. 昨天几号昨天几号 What's the date of yesterday? 昨天几号 What's the date of yesterday? 昨天几月几号 This means yesterday 几月 Which month? 几号 Which day? Let's ask about the date. What's the date of yesterday? 昨天几月几号 Which month? Which day? 今天 today. 今天 today. So if I say 今天2月28号今天2月28号 That means today is 2月 February 28号 28th. 今天几号 What's the date of today? 今天几月几号 Which month, which day of today? 今天几月几号 So this is the difference when we ask about the year, the date, and the month. We can ask one by one. For example, in English, we just ask what's the date today? What is the date? But in Chinese, if you only ask about the date, you can say 几号. That means ask the day of this month, which day. But if you ask 几月几号, that means which month, which day. Which month, which day. So 昨天今天明天昨天今天明天 tomorrow tomorrow 明天星期三明天几号明天几月几号 So here we can see this is year 年去年今年明年 and this is day yesterday today tomorrow so we say 昨天今天明天 So it's same. We also can ask 明天几号. That means what a date of tomorrow. 明天几月几号? Which month, which day of tomorrow? Tomorrow is which one, which month, which day? So here, 昨天、今天、明天。昨天、今天、明天。So here, in these three words, 昨天、今天、明天。天 what is 天? 天 means day, means sky. 天 means day, means sky. So if I say one day, we can say 一天. If I say 6 days, we can say 六天. So if they talk about day, 天 means day, means sky. And another one, 星期 means week. 星期 means week. So if I say 星期几, this asks about the question 几 means how many, means which. It's asked about the number less than 10. So if I say 星期几, that means which weekday. That means which weekday. 今天星期几? What is a weekday today? 今天星期几? 今天星期几? What's a weekday today? So here are some words. 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期日、星期天。So here we can see when we talk about the weekday in Chinese, we say Monday 星期一 Tuesday 星期二 Wednesday 星期三 Thursday 星期四 Friday 星期五 Saturday 星期六 That is we use the number 1 to number 6 to name Monday to Saturday. But for Sunday, we will not use the number. Sunday is another one. We use 星期日 or 星期天. Sunday, there are two names of Sunday. We can say 星期日 or 星期天. 星期日, 星期天. But from Monday to Saturday, we use number 1 to number 6. So that is, again, Monday we say 星期一 Tuesday 星期二 Wednesday 星期三 Thursday 星期四 Friday 星期五 Saturday 星期六 Sunday 星期日 or 星期天。So we can see these are all use numbers. When we talk about weekday, we use number. When we talk about months in Chinese, we use number. And the year, we use number. So here again, if I say 明天 if I say 明天星期三 明天星期三 that means tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. For example, if I say 今天 today 今天星期二今天星期二 that means today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. 今天星期二 Another word 请 Another word 请 means please, invite. 请 means please, also means invite. So if I say 请说means say, speak. 请说 that means please say, please speak. So if I say 写 means write. 请写 that means please write. 请说汉语 please speak Chinese. 请写汉字 please write Chinese characters. 请写汉字 please write Chinese characters. 请 so here also 请 also means invite. That means if you请other ones, that means you will pay for somebody or you will invite or pay. For example here 请你吃 karahi. 请 means invite. 你 you 吃 it. 请你吃 karahi means invite you to eat karahi. Always say 我请你 that means I will pay for you.我请你请 But here in this lesson we just use the word 请 means please. 请 means please. 请 means please. And next one 问 means ask. 问 means ask. For example 问我 that means ask me. 问他 ask him. 问朋友 friend. 问朋友 ask a friend. 问同学 ask classmate. 问同学 ask classmate. 问老师 ask the teacher. 问老师 ask the teacher. Ask. So here 问 means ask. So if we say together 请问 means excuse me, then you can say a question. 请问 means excuse me. For example, if I say 请问你多大了 means excuse me, how old are you? Excuse me, how old are you? 请问你叫什么名字？请问你叫什么？ That means 你叫什么 means what's your name? So if I say 请问你叫什么 that means excuse me, what's your name, please? Excuse me, what's your name? So 请问 it's a polite word. If we add 请问 before a question, it means excuse me. It's a polite word. 问 means ask. So for example, we also can say 请问你是哪国人？请问 excuse me, 你是哪国人？ Which country are you from? 请问你吃什么？ Excuse me, what do you want to eat? 请问你吃什么？请问你吃什么 means excuse me, what do you eat? What do you eat? 请问 means excuse me. Next one is 学校 means school. 学校 means school. So if I say 我的学校 my school. 我的学校 my school. 你的学校 your school. 你的学校 your school. 什么学校 what school. 什么学校 what school, which school. What school, which school. 去 Number 16, this word is commonly used. 去 means go. 去 means go. So if I say 去学校 go to school. 去拉合尔 go to Lahore. 去伊斯兰堡 go to Islamabad. 去 means go. So we say 去学校 go to school. 去拉合尔 go to Lahore. 去伊斯兰堡 go to Islamabad. 去 means go. 去 means go. So for example, if I say 我去 Sargodha. 我去 Sagoda. That means I will go to Sagoda. 去 means go. Next one, number 17. There are lots of new words today. Number 17, 看. 看 means look. 看 means look. So, for example, if I say 看我 means look at me. Look me. Look at me. 看我. 看 means read. 看 means look. Look at. Watch. Also means read. Read a book. Read a book, we use 看. 看我 look at me. 看什么 什么 means what. 看什么 means what are you looking? What are you looking at? What are you looking? 看 TV, watch TV. 看 TV, watch TV. 看 movie. 看 movie. 看 football. 看 drama. 看 means look, look at, watch, read. Another one, 书 means book. 书 means book. So if I say 什么书 means what book. 什么 means what. 什么书 what book. 我的书 my book. 我的书 my book. 他的书 his book. 没有书 not have book. 没有书 not have book. 看书看 means read. 看书 means read a book. Reading. 看书 means read a book. Reading. It not means look at the book. It means read the book. That means reading. 看书 reading. 看. So here are the new words. Let's see it again one by one. The first one is 几. Ask about the number 几. But in this lesson, we will use it to ask about the question about the month, about the date, and about the weekday. 几. Second, 月. You can just remember this one and add the number 1 to number 12 to name the month. For example, 1月, 2月, 3月, 4月, 5月, 6月, 7月, 8月, 9月, 10月, 11月, 12月. How is about the date. For example, this day, we'll say 6号. And 年 means year. 年 means year. This year, we will say 2020年. 2020年. This one, 去年 last year. 今年 this year. 明年 next year. 去年今年明年. 昨天 yesterday. 今天 today. 明天 tomorrow. 明天 天 means day, means sky. And next one is 星期 So we say 星期一 Monday. 星期二 Tuesday. 星期三 Wednesday. 星期四 Thursday. 星期五 Friday. 星期六 Saturday. 星期日 or 星期天. 星期日 or 星期天. So here that's a 7 day in a week. That's a 7 days in a week. 请 means please. 问 ask. Together 请问 means excuse me. 请问. 学校 school. 去 means go. 去 means go. And also 看 看 means look, look at, watch, read. 书 means book. 书 means book. These are the words we have learned. 请问今天 how 月星期昨天明天去学校看书。So in this lesson, we will talk about year, date, month. Okay, look at this warm-up exercise. Look at this one, look at the pictures and look at the words. Number 1, 书 means book. So the answer will be E. It means book. Number 2, 中国菜 Chinese food. Number 3, 学校 means school. Number 4, 25号 that means 25. 25号 the date 25. Number 5, 月 means month. Number 6, 看书 means book. 看书 means reading. 看书 as will be. So these are the new words of today. Let's look at the dialogue. The first one. 请问 excuse me, 今天几号？今天 means today. 几号 which day? So 今天几号 means what's the date of today? What's the date of today? 今天9月1号。今天9月1号。That means today is 9月 September 1号 first. That means today is 1st September. 9月1号。今天星期几？星期 means week. So if I say 星期几 that means which weekday? Which weekday? I can say 星期三
第7课。今天
Wednesday. So when we ask about date, we can use 几号. When we ask about the weekday, we can say 星期几. We just change this 几 to be number. 星期几 we can say 星期三. 星期三. So the meaning of this dialogue is, excuse me, what's the date today? Today is September 1st. What day is today? It's Wednesday. So, 请问 excuse me, 今天几号？今天9月1号。今天星期几？星期三。Look at this calendar again. 昨天是几月几号 ？This means 昨天 means yesterday. 昨天 yesterday. 昨天是几月几号 ？That means what? 昨天 yesterday. 是 means is. 几月 which month? 几号 which day? So this is not only ask about the day, it's also ask about the month. So when we answer it, we change 几 to be a number.